Are you curious about the brand new technologies that are going on in the real estate world right now? I'm going to show you one of them today, so stay tuned. Hi there, Joe Kirk with the Kirk team at Lake Sotheby's International Realty. Hey, coming to you here with Digitally Delivered. It's a new video series about the new technologies out there in the real estate world and how we're using them to digitally deliver service to our clients. And I'm going to show you 3 tips on how to use this new product. And then if you're curious about additional tips, there's going to be a link to a long format full tutorial of how to use 3D Matterport in the link below. So number 1 is the dollhouse view. The dollhouse view is going to be a digital 3D representation of the home, so you can see layout, you can understand how rooms are situated next to each other. So if there are deal breakers that you're considering, you can vet those out as you look through the dollhouse. Number 2, how to actually navigate the tour. Okay, you click into the home, and then there's going to be circles that are located throughout the house that you can navigate to, and you click and you move around to see the different areas of the home. Number 3, and this is my personal favorite, and it's the reason why I use SpaceCrafting for all my 3D Matterports, is that they do a pre-programmed tour. So there's a little play button down here at the bottom of the Matterport tour. Go ahead and press that, and there's a pre-programmed tour. So if you don't want to mess around with the technology and just see the home, press that play button. Hope those 3 tips were helpful. And like I said, click the link below. There is a full tutorial on how to navigate the Matterport, and I actually take you through a home and how to really lever the technology to service you. So this is an everyday technology that should be used on every single listing now. I'm glad that I could show you these new technologies that are really taking hold in the real estate industry. And stay tuned for next week as we explore other new technologies. So I hope everyone has a good day, and go Team Kirk.